You are captured by a bored group of aliens on an unknown planet. In order to be released and safely go back home, you must show the alien species your team is smart enough to solve their carefully thought out riddles. Once you prove that you have the knowledge of things outside of your own Mother Earth, the aliens will appreciate your respect and let you go.
So this sheet of paper will be hidden somewhere in the room that you're in. And you'll look at this equation on the top corner. And you'll simplify it, and once you unscramble the words, it will spell out horoscope. And from there you can infer that with the scorpion picture that's provided with it, it will be the zodiac sign Scorpio. And from there you can look online and find the beginning and the end dates of that zodiac sign, which will be October 23rd and November 21st. So one of the locks will be 10, 23, and then the other one will be 11, 21. This sheet of paper will also be somewhere in your room, and it says on the front, these distances are all miles from the sun. So once you solve these 3 problems, they will give you a distance. However, the rate that you began with was in meters, so that means you have to convert the distance that you end with into miles. And once you do that, you can look online and find the different planets that are the certain distances that you end with, which will give you different planets. And so the first one will be, the first distance you will get is the distance from Earth to the Sun. The second one will be from Saturn to the Sun, and the third one will be Neptune to the Sun. And using the first letter of all three of those planets, in addition to the Sun, you can get the code for this padlock. South, east, south, north.
Okay, so you're going to find 4 sheets of paper in the classroom, all of different colors, and they're all different math problems or physics problems, and once you solve them, you're going to put the answer in the slot given, and it'll be labeled degrees Fahrenheit because the color of the paper corresponds to the temperature range of the star in that color. And so after you solve all of them, you'll find that 3 of these papers are in the range, the answers are in the range of the temperature, except for the white one. And so the code for this lock is going to be white, and that will be the last lock on the big box.
So, after you open this box, inside there's going to be a smaller box that also has a combination right there. And throughout the room, you're going to find a pack of Orbit gum and a black light. And then you're going to take the pack of Orbit gum, and on the flap there's going to be written a riddle, and it's going to read, "Twinkle, twinkle, little star, this simple tune will take you far." And from this, the students can infer that the tune of Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star is the hint, and Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star has the same tune as the ABCs. So once you open the Orbit pack of gum, you can find a piece of paper labeled Order Matters, and within that piece of paper there's going to be a sequence of Orbit gum wrappers with numbers on them, and these numbers are going to correlate directly to letters in the alphabet. And so, for example, 13, the first number, is M, the first letter of Mercury, and these, when taken out in the right order, should spell Mercury. And because it is an Orbit pack of gum, the students can infer that they need the orbit of Mercury in order to find the combination of the box. And once they find that, they know that the orbit of Mercury is 88 days. And so the combination on the box should be 088. Once you open the box, you'll find a piece of paper, and in the piece of paper, on the piece of paper will be a picture of the planets. And inside one of the planets, the word tack will be written, and you can take the black light. And once you put it over the planet, you can see that the word tack is written, and the students will take this hint and look around the room for the formation of tacks. And on the wall, the tacks will form the constellation of Orion. And then the students know the answer to the riddle is the constellation of Orion. And once they say that to the aliens, they will be let go.
This is the Orion constellation that will be pinned up on the wall with tacks.